piece of YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. In this video, I want to share with you a February setup video in my notebook planner. I've been getting a lot, and I mean a lot of questions asking how the planner is working for me, how I like a notebook planner, all that good stuff. So I thought I would answer some of those questions today and show you how I set up my notebook planner for the month of February. Now, I keep things very simple here. Part of my journey to planning my way to calm is keeping things simple. And so that's why there's just not really a lot going on here. This is not really about stickers and funny things and, scraps of paper and memories and all that stuff. It's just really about, making sure I get all the things I need to get done. And this notebook is going to help me with that. And so I thought I would share it with you. Now, if you're new to my channel, please feel free to give this video a like and stick around and be a part of the Calm fam by subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you here. And if you're just kind of browsing and you don't know kind of what I'm about yet, feel free to check out my playlists that are going to be linked in the description below. Check it out. And if you feel like joining the fam, I would love to have you. And thank you so much for all those who are coming back. Your love and support means so much. Now, this is my notebook planner for 2026. I talked about this before. I will link the video that I introduced this planner up in the cards and show it on the screen, but I don't want to go too much over it because I have talked about it. I just kind of want to get into it and kind of show you how I've set it up. So first things first, this notebook from the dollar store, it's not much to it. It's just a simple notebook. You can use any notebook if you want to set up a notebook planner. What I've done is I've used these dollar store sticky tabs just to kind of, as the months go on, I have them in a variety of colors. They were, I think, 50 cents from the dollar store. I just grabbed them. I just put the month there so I can navigate the planner easily. So I can just flip to the month that I need and call it a day. I don't need to kind of mess around too much. But this is how I set it up. Very similar to January in that, I have my front page and I have my month. So kind of like the kind of overview of the calendar, as well as my TWG, or my Time with God focus. So this is a Bible verse that I use just to kind of help guide me through the month. It's one I reference often. February is known as the month of love because of Valentine's Day. So I picked a love-themed scripture to kind of help me remember and remind myself of God's love and the love that I need to show other people, which sometimes can be hard because people be tripping, but you get the idea. On this page here, I have my February overview. So in this section here, these are just all the important dates, or kind of a dates to remember section of my planner. So I know that these dates here, these are things that I need to get done. I need to make sure that I am reminding myself of. That's why I keep it in a separate section in my planner in the notebook. And then very important things that I do not want to forget. I make sure that I put like a little bubble or just kind of set it aside to make sure it's like, okay, don't forget this, Kat, because sometimes the memory with everything going on, appointments are always the first thing I forget. So I want to make sure I remember that. The next section here contains my goals for this month. So my February goals are to make sure that I'm taking care of my physical and mental health, which has been a challenge. January was a complete write-off. It was just terrible. Comment down below and let me know how your January was. If you care to share. I hope it was awesome. The next one is Think Warm Thoughts. It's been frigidly cold where I live here in Canada, and so I'm thinking about my next vacay to get me through. Comment down below, what is your favorite tropical destination or location that you like to go to? Yeah, I'm all about the Caribbean, however you want to call it. And I'm trying to convince Mr. Calm to come with me on a trip because I need one. It's bad. And to move more. That is a struggle because I've spent so much time sitting for my jobs that sometimes moving is a struggle for me. And then on this page here, this is where the weekly planner kind of all works out here. For the month of February, I'm starting from Sunday to Saturday in this planner here for this month. And again, that's what I love about a notebook planner, because you are setting it up in your way and your, how you like it. You can set it up however you want. And I love the fact that I can kind of switch things up and kind of make it work for me where it makes sense for me, because otherwise, if it's not working, I'm not going to use it. And so that's what I love about this. So we had a family dinner coming up. It's going to start shortly. And yeah, it is what it is. Down here, I also have my grocery list. So similar to last month in January, where I showcased my grocery list, and then next week I will have my meal plan ready to go. So I'll probably finish that and kind of work on that tomorrow for the beginning of the week, where I plan out my meals based on the groceries that I choose. And I feel like that's been working for Mr. Calm and I. We'll still be tweaking it a little bit to see if it's a long-term thing that we want to carry on with, but so far so good. And then the next page, this is where the week will set up for February 15th to the 21st. And what I like to do is I like to just use a highlighter to kind of highlight, if you will, the weeks, so that they just stand out. You don't have to do that. You can underline it with a colorful pen or whatever, but that's just what I like to do. Because February is such a short month, I only need a couple pages for it, and then we're good. Then after the weekly, I'm actually introducing something new this month, and I haven't started it yet, and I wanted to, kind of feel it out a little bit, but I saw somewhere, I think it was on Pinterest, about a line a day notebook, or a line a day planner, or a line a day gratitude planner. So for each day of the month, you write a line, just kind of capturing a moment of either gratitude or a moment of life that you want to remember in just like one sentence format. And that's something I'm going to try. Now, I've been scribbling on my phone because I am really looking forward to kind of putting my, well, actually I was going to show you, but I'm actually filming on my phone, so I can't show you. But I have been, for each day, just kind of making a note of something that stuck out to me, something that made me smile, made me laugh, something that was fun, something that I'm grateful for my line of a day. So I will check back in at the end of the month and share with you my line of the day for each day of the month. Sometimes, if I forget, I can always kind of go back and remember and fill it in. But I'm really looking forward to this new addition to my monthly planner. I'm really looking forward to this addition to my February month in my notebook planner. And then something that I'm carrying over from last month is my monthly recap. And here what I'm going to do is I'm focusing on a few things that I want to work on. So my time with God, having no sugar, which was a struggle last month, walking more, having a better attitude, getting 8 hours of sleep, reading more, spending time with my husband, and spending time with Planning Calm related things. And depending on how well I do, I will just try to kind of tally it in either the happy face, the not so good face, or the sad face. And that just helps me remember and remind me what I need to focus on for the next coming month. So there you have it, my friends. I am, just rocking this notebook planner, and I love the ease and the simplicity that this notebook planner has given me. I also use my other planners, so stay tuned to the channel because I will be sharing with you my wellness and health weight loss planner that's coming up, because there are some updates that I want to share with you there. And also I have been using my, regular everyday carry. I've been loving this planner, and it's working out so well for me. And my planning has been so simple, so easy, and so calming this year. So I would like to know, what are your planning needs and how are you tackling them in the comments down below if you care to share. And until next time, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.